Are you struggling with advanced Regex in your Boto3 EC2 instance filters? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and help you skip those pesky instance names that start with a hyphen. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't behave as expected. Many users face similar challenges when working with Regex, especially when trying to filter out specific patterns. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I match EC2 instance names that do not start with a hyphen? They mentioned that while basic Regex operators work, advanced pattern matching seems to be ignored. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what's happening here? When using Regex, it's crucial to understand how different patterns interact with your data. In this case, the pattern you're using may not be correctly set up to filter out those unwanted instance names. And stick around. I have a powerful tip at the end that will help you master Regex in your Boto3 scripts. To begin solving the user's problem, we need to adjust the regular expression filter in the code. The user wants to match EC2 instance names that do not start with a hyphen. We can achieve this by using a negative look-ahead in the regex pattern. Next, the user should modify the filter in the code. Instead of using the current pattern, they will replace it with the new regex that incorporates the negative look-ahead. Now, let's ensure the user understands how to implement this change in their existing code. They should locate the filters section and make the necessary adjustments. Finally, the user can run the updated code to verify that it correctly filters out the EC2 instances with names starting with a hyphen. They should check the output to confirm the expected instances are returned. Fun fact, Regex is like a secret language for computers. Once you learn it, you can communicate with your data in ways you never thought possible. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user suggests a different approach using the describe snapshots method. They filter snapshots by tag, using a wildcard at the end of the tag value to match any instances that start with that value. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the question mark and asterisk characters in the filter values. They found that this method worked effectively for their needs. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your regex patterns using an online regex tester before implementing them in your code. This can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to filter your EC2 instances effectively. Remember, mastering regex takes practice, but with these tips, you're well on your way. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more insights.